Hi everyone, this is Nizam, CSE Computer Education. Today I have come with fantastic news for 10th and 12th standard students, especially those who are in Udumalpet. We are proud to introduce you an exciting question and answer books for 10th and 12th standard students. Its name is Towards Centum. So let me show and let me tell how this book will be a game changer in your academic year. I am proud to introduce Towards Centum book. So for both 10th as well as 12th, this book contains for 10th Tamil, English, Maths, Science, Social, all the books will be covered. In this book, more than 1000 one-mark questions are covered. And also for 12th, especially we are concentrating in two groups. One is Science group and Accounts group. In Science group, the books will be covered last 3 years public exam with brief answers. So this will make you to ensure that you are prepared well for the public exam. So easily you can score high marks. You might be wondering why this book is so special. It is a proven fact that for the few years before several years we are issuing this book for 10th as well as 12th students, not only in Udumalpet towns, we are issuing in villages also. So it is a proven source. This book makes the students to score high marks, and a lot of people are informed me that they are secured Centum with the help of this book. So there is a lot of insights are there. So this is a great source to score high marks. Now the best part is, how can you get this valuable resource in your hands? It's absolutely free. We are issuing to each and every schools, especially local town schools. We will be issuing a gift card very soon. Within a week we will be issuing a gift card in your school. So students who are studying 10th as well as 12th, and the parents who are watching this video, please share and tag your friends, and please spread this word throughout the Udumalpet and inform them to get the book and they can score well marks. Please try to spread this as much as you can. For those who are studying out of Udumalpet but they are residing in Udumalpet, so we will be issuing this book for you for free. Our institution location is CSE Computer Education, UKP-Complex, second floor, upstairs, Bonus Medical upstairs. And also contact, we'll be sharing the WhatsApp number as well as we'll be sharing our contact number. So please feel free to share and call. You can get the book free. Okay. Please inform all the 10th and 12th standard students as much as you can. That's all for today's exciting announcement. Don't miss the opportunity to boost your exam preparation with Towards Centum book. And don't forget that knowledge is power. We are here to empower your knowledge. So CSE Computer Education, stay tuned for the next video.